Hello, today let's perform a good old blood pressure monitoring using, in this case, the medisana BU512 model. This is a blood pressure monitor device for your arms. Of course, first we have to get this into startup. That means we insert the batteries. We using a mains adapter to goes to the settings. Then we are the screen where we choosing between play 1 or play 2. Then we have to make a year setting, a month and a date setting, a time setting, and then we are ready for action. Blood pressure is the pressure created in the blood vessels by each heartbeat. When the heart contracts, this is systole, and pumps blood into the arteries, it brings about a rise in pressure. The highest value is known as the systolic pressure, and the first value to be measured when the cardiac muscle relaxes to take in fresh blood. The pressure in the artery also drops. Once the artery are relaxed, the second reading is taken. This is the diastolic pressure. Now we're fitting the cuff. We push the end piece of the air tube into the hole on the left side of the unit prior to use. We slide the open end of the cuff through the metal bracket so that the Velcro fastener is on the outside, and it becomes a cylindric form. We slide the cuff over our left upper arm. We position the air hose in the middle of the arm in line with our middle finger. The lower edge of the cuff should be 2 up to 3 centimeters above the crease of the elbow. We pull the cuff tight and close the Velcro fastener. Measure the pulse on our bare arm. Only position the cuff on the right arm if it cannot be used on the left arm. Always carry out the measurement on the same arm. The correct measuring position is important to get a clear measurement. After the cuff has been appropriately positioned, the measurement can begin. We switch the unit on by pressing the start and stop button. If the start and stop button is pressed, 2 short beeps are heard, and all display characters are shown. This is a display test. This test can be used to check that the display is indicating properly and in full. The unit is ready for measurement and the number O flash for 2 seconds. It automatically inflates the cuff slowly in order to measure our blood pressure. The rising pressure in the cuff is shown on the display itself. The unit inflates the cuff until sufficient pressure has built up for a measurement. Then, the unit slowly releases the air from the cuff and carries out the measurement. When the device detects the signal, the heart symbol on the display starts to flash. We can hear the beep for every heartbeat once the heartbeat signal is detected. When the measurement is finished, we can hear a long beep and the cuff is deflated completely. The systolic and the diastolic blood pressure and the pulse value with the pulse symbol appears on the display. The blood pressure indicates flashes next to the relevant colored bar depending on the blood pressure classification. If the unit has detected an irregular heartbeat, the arrhythmia display also flashes. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.